Vodka?
Baka.
You love vodka.
Baka.
Oh my god, girl. Girl, do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Tasha. Hey, your mother's speaking to you. Do you have a boyfriend? ¿Tienes novio?
No.
Aww. Tasha, tell me the truth. Have you had sex before?
No.
You just said none of my You just said none of my business? Huh? Tell me the truth. No? Alright. Girl? Say, I know. I know.